How to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get Meta AI on your WhatsApp chat. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Now let's begin. The first thing that you need to do is open up your WhatsApp, and then from here you just want to tap on the chat where you want to connect to Meta AI or use Meta AI. And once you open up your chat, you will just have to type in @Meta AI. And if something pops up on your screen, you can just tap on it and start using it on your app. And if it is on your account, then it will also be visible right above your create a new chat option, and you can use Meta AI from there. But if you don't see anything, then that probably means that Meta AI is not available on your region yet. You'll just have to wait for Meta to bring this feature to your region. So if you really want it, then you can just go ahead and tap on settings. Scroll down to the bottom until you see help, so just tap on it and then tap on help center and then tap on contact us. Now here you can just ask WhatsApp that you don't have Meta AI feature on your account yet and you would like to have it. Then tap on submit a report. It will create a ticket and WhatsApp will respond to your ticket accordingly. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.